No. No way. Wait. The final. Halloween. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sharp. I'm guessing that Harry kills you. Is that Springtrap? Yeah, let's make a picture. So I think the nails is how he kills you. He impales you. Are those 30 hits on his body? That's Springtrap's arm, I know. How can his nails be that sharp? Okay, I'm just so happy.